friends, welcome in Sant Tukaram National School, Latur. This is Shubhangi Kalyani, Grade 2, Subject Environmental Study, and the lesson name is Uses of Water, Part 3. Already we have learned these 2 points. Uses of water for living things, the importance of water. Today in this period, in this video, we are going to learn these 2 points, the wastage and shortage of water. And the last point, how the need for water differ in plants and animals. So let's start.
Wow, it's a natural waterfall. Dear students, in the last video we have learnt about the uses of water for living things, the importance of water. Now we are going to learn about the wastage and shortage of water, how the need for water differs in plants and animals. See all these pictures. It indicates the drought and shortage of water. Sometimes due to the absence of rain for a longer time, a place may become completely dry. There will be no water available. This is called a drought. During a drought, the land dries and cracks appear. Plants dry up as they do not get water. Animals die as they do not get eat or drink. Do you know? If our bodies do not get enough water, our memories may be affected. Then we may find it difficult to remember things properly. The need for water is not the same for all living things. Some animals and plants need more water than others. Some can live with little or no water. Let us see some examples. Kangaroo rats. Kangaroo rats do not need to drink water. They live in dry and hot places. They save the water that they get from their food. It means from the seed. It looks like kangaroo. It hops like kangaroo. So it is called kangaroo rats. Camels need less water than other animals. They drink large amount of water at a time. Then they can go for a long time without water. Camel humps are made up of fat, not water. The extra water enters the camel's bloodstream to add to its water supply. So, camel can survive more than 3 months without water. Elephants require lots of water to drink. They also require water to bath and cool their bodies. Plants like cactus grow in dry areas and need less water to grow than other plants. We may drink more water after playing outdoors. If we sit idle, we may not feel thirsty. The need of water also depends on the climate and season. For example, plants and animals need more water in the summer than in winter. In summer, we feel thirsty more often. My dear students, in the last 2 videos and in this video, we have learned all these points. The uses of water for living things, the importance of water, the wastage and shortage of water, how the need for water differs in plants and animals. I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye.